We are going to make a journal. So what you will need is a journal lock, 2 paper clips, a piece of string or yarn or ribbon, anything that you like that will tie the book together, a piece of cardboard. So this is like a piece of poster board cut out to whatever size you want your journal to be ×2. And then also you need some paper that has lines on it. So these are lined to fit inside this paper, so you just have to cut to match it. And then some colorful pens might be fun for you to write in your journal. So what we want to do is fold this in half so that it will fit these. So what I'm going to do is I'm putting the shiny side on the inside, and it has the tag, but because I like the outside to be the matte, not shiny, because if I was to color it with markers, it will smear sometimes, and I find that irritating. So, or if I want to use crayons, this side sometimes is a little better for that. So I'm gonna fold it in half. And then I'm going to put the lock pieces on. So also you'll need some duct tape or other tape. We use Gorilla Tape because that was the strongest. So if somebody tried to yank on your journal, like say your brother or sister, they would have a harder time to yank it open. So we're going to put that down there and so paperclip has 2 different sides. We're going to use the side that's all the way open. Tape it right down there. Now this part, and I'm going to tape it all, then push it on all the different sides. Now this is the important part because you want the 2 sides to match, because you're going to put the lock part through here. So what you want to do is lay your tape upside down like that, and then again with the open side up. You're going to put it exactly how you want it so that it's right on top of the other one. Then you're going to shut the cover. There we go. And then you're just going to mash it down, right? Just like the other one, the insides, the sides. You're going to really make sure that it's in there. So then you want to make sure they match. They match. All right, now you're going to put your paper inside. Okay, and see it overlaps a little bit so that you can shut it easily. You're going to take your scissors and you are going to cut a little part off this side and a little part off this side, like at a little angle. And then in the middle, you're going to make like a V. Cutting a little V so that it goes through all the papers and the cover. So see, I have a V, and then a little cut off here and a little cut off here. So that's going to help you to bind the book so that you don't need staples, you don't need anything, you just need a lovely piece of string. You're going to open it all the way up to the middle. Next, you're going to put your string through the middle hole. You're going to wrap it around. There I go. Wrapping it all the way around. Now I'm going to put it back through that hole so that they're both in the same hole in the middle. And you can see when you pull it tight, there it is. There it is. There it is. And then you're just going to tie a knot. You can put one under and one over so that it's really tight. That's it. You have made a journal. So you're just going to tie it. You can make a bow if you want a bow. So just make it a knot if you like a knot. Then here's your journal. You can write in it every day. Write all your thoughts, and you want to save it till you're very old so that you can see what you thought about when you were young. Then you just put your lock right through there. And then you can put your key on a pipe cleaner or a bracelet or a keychain so that you don't lose it. And maybe you want to hide the other key somewhere else. Have fun and keep writing.